Hello and welcome to Augusta Prep's Upper School Sports Assembly for the 2020 fall season. My name is Harry Batchelor and I'm your athletic director. Well, with great pride and admiration, you guys did it. All 5 upper school fall sport teams were able to have a season during these most challenging times. We have not been able to do this without the cooperation and flexibility and support from the athletes, coaches, parents, leadership team, and faculty. Our first priority was to consistently carry out all COVID-19 protocols to assure the safety of our student athletes as well as everyone involved. Our next goal was to find a way for these kids to play. Summer workouts and volleyball led the way, getting things started in place early summer. Football and basketball quickly followed. As you will hear from the coaches, we won a state championship and 2 runner-ups. In addition, we added a new sport, clay targeting. Congratulations to all. This has been a great example of team effort. On behalf of my coaches, they would all like to thank you, that including the parents, team parents, assistant coaches, faculty, bus drivers, and custodians. Our nurse Blanchard and athletic trainer, Emily Strabino, assistant coaches, and most of all the athletes. You'll now hear from some of our coaches.
Hey guys, this is Coach Palermo from cross country. I'm going to start out with the girls team. So our girls this year, they fought so hard. We had tons of PRs, season bests. They weren't technically a full team because we had about 6 girls per meet. So considering that, it was amazing that they got runner-up at region by just a few points. They fought so hard for that. And they were runner-up at state as well behind the same team. So great season and congratulations to all of them for their hard effort and work. The girls on the team were our senior Reagan Kennedy, our juniors Porna Dopalaputi and Mary Margaret Barbie. We didn't have any sophomores. And then our freshmen Annabelle Mwanya, Radea Patel, and Annie Trapp. And then our 8th grader Catherine Pagoric. So for our 2 awards this year, we have our MVP award and our Cavalier Award. So the MVP award obviously goes to our best runner. She was our #1 runner all season long at every race. And not only was she Augusta Prep's #1 runner, but she was the region champ and the state champ. So this year that award obviously goes to Annie Trapp. So congrats, Annie. And then our Cavalier Award goes to somebody who showed great leadership, dedication, just had a great attitude, even helped us recruit some girls on the team. And this year that award goes to Porna Dopalaputi. So congrats, Porna.
Hey guys, I'm Coach Zach. I'm here to talk about the guys team this season. They did exceptionally well. We got a state championship, a region championship, an individual champion in state, a lot of season bests, a lot of PRs, and even a new school record. So the guys really showed up this year. The guys were seniors, Jack Sinix, Colin Schmock, and Alex Schmock. Juniors, Ben Monig, Stephen Joseph, and Pedro Beltrami. The lone sophomore was Hayes Trapp, and our freshmen were JT Dong, Carter Ward, Hank Monig, and Jack Butler. So the 2 awards we have are the MVP award and the Cavalier Award. The MVP obviously goes to the fastest runner we had all season. He set a new school record, got a state championship and a region championship, and he's showing up just every single meet. Drum roll, that award's going to be Hayes Trapp. So congratulations, Hayes, as usual. Our Cavalier Award this year goes to somebody who's just always showing up with a really positive attitude. He's got a really mature vibe around him. We've always enjoyed having him on the team because he just brings something special, and that is Stephen Joseph. So congrats, Stephen.
Awesome. So congratulations to both teams, and thank you to everyone who just made this season possible.
Hello everyone, this is Coach Bland here. I'm honored to talk a little bit about our season and talk about all the accomplishments and really recognize the 2020 Augusta Prep Lady Cavaliers varsity volleyball team. At this point, I'd like to introduce the team to everyone. We had 3 sophomores. We had number 9, Madison Tovar. We had number 33, Charlotte Leroy. We had number 7, Priya Sharma. We had number 16, our lone junior, E. Nesbitt. We had 6 amazing seniors this year. Number 36, Bentley McCrary. Number 5, Jessica Doby. Number 21, Haley Roth. 22, Katie Sinex. And our co-captains, we had number 10, Virginia Chu. And we had number 31, Angela Shaver. Again, another co-captain. Recapping the year, it was an amazing year. It really was. We all know we had challenges with COVID, and the girls really worked hard to persevere through that and be flexible, like we all did. We begin every year with very similar goals. The 2020 campaign, we began with the two goals of winning the region and then competing for a state title. We always talk about putting numbers up on the banner and team accomplishments and program accomplishments, and the girls did very well. And in a year like no other with COVID, we had fewer matches and a more changing schedule, but I'm really proud of our team and parents and coaches for how well they responded to the challenge. The team finished with an overall record of 16-8. The team finished first in region and going undefeated at 6-0 for the school's 17th region championship. And the team did an amazing job getting the state to a championship match against Oak Mountain Academy and losing a tough 4-set match and really pushing a very good team to its limits. Like I told the team, it's the sixth team in Augusta Prep history to reach a state final, and they should be very proud of their accomplishments. Some other highlights that were not a region or state involved were two great wins over Evans High School, and especially senior night, where the girls were down 2-0, and we had fans in the stands and parents, and the girls came back and won a really exciting 5-set match, and that was definitely a big highlight and a great way to send off the seniors into the state tournament and their last time playing in the Boardman Athletic Center. We had some great individual awards this year. We had 6 girls make all region. They were Madison Tovar, Priya Sharma, Katie Sinex, E. Nesbitt, and Angela Shaver and Virginia Chu. We were also fortunate to have 3 girls make the all-state team for 2A GISA volleyball, and that was E. Nesbitt, Angela Shaver, and Virginia Chu. As far as individual awards, it's always tough every year, and coaches say that, but it is true. I mean, it's hard to pick 2 players out of an amazing 10-person squad. But our first award is going to be Coach's Award, and it goes to a player that really is the glue that keeps any volleyball team together. As the primary setter, this player's job was to chase down every second ball, make great decisions, get the ball to the best available player to score for our team. And I'm impressed with her leadership and ability to adjust to a new position, because it was her first year being a setter, a sole setter for our team. So the Coach's Award this year goes to Elizabeth E. Nesbitt. Congrats, E. Very well deserved. And our last award goes to, it's the Cavalier Award, which really is the team MVP. And it goes to one of the best players to ever come through Augusta Prep volleyball in the program here. She's a 3-time All-State player, a 4-year starter, and really the heart and soul of this team. She'll be dearly missed, and has been a pleasure and honor to coach Virginia Chu, our 2020 Cavalier Award winner. Ladies, from the bottom of my heart, I thank you for all your hard work, and really everybody that makes any of our teams go, parents, administrators, everyone. It was a crazy year, but we did it. We got to the state finals, and I could not be prouder. Thank you so much.
That concludes our first fall upper school assembly. We will see you for part 2 in a week or so. Thank you.